Hey friends, if VTX is not available on your system and you get the error VERR VMX, no VMX, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, here's what you have to do. Search for Windows features and click on turn Windows features on or off. There would be one option called Hyper-V. I don't have it in my system because it is not available. Let us say this was Hyper-V, okay? It is not, but just imagine. Then all you have to do is uncheck it and then click on OK. So Hyper-V is only available on enterprise and professional machines, but not on my machine. So you can uncheck this option and then try to enable virtualization, or if it doesn't work, then contact your virtualization machine manufacturer, because there's nothing else that can be done from our end. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.